kita nak okay. Today kita nak cuba coffee machine. Jadi kita ambil apa? Oh, sebab nak bisik. Guys, today kita orang nak cuba coffee machine. Okay, semoga menjadi. Harap GM tak tahu kita orang cuba-cuba. Tengok ni guys, Gina tak nak join kita orang. Dia select. Awak sejuk. Tengok. Biasa muka saya ni semua.
Hi guys, welcome to Sophia channel. Welcome to Hana Sophia channel. So today, both three of us, yes, 3 of us wanna try company's coffee machine. This is our first trial, but please pray for us that we didn't make any mistake to the coffee machine, because before this Encik Iqbal and Encik Hafiz have been fixed. So we hope that they won't fix it again. Stay tuned guys. ASMR. So here are the coffee machine. Here, I'm just gonna show you like this, not only because don't have place to put you. Yeah. No have. Yeah, it's okay. Yes. We gonna start by. Okay. I'm scared actually. Me also. Are you for sure? I don't know. I trust you because you are the permanent staff here. I'm just intern. Good. No like this. Here we got this. Dia cakap disgusting. Are you sure? Are you for sure? I don't know. Do they really use this or not? I don't think so. Is it the coffee or the habuk? I'm not sure. We gonna try. Apa-apa pun kita akan try. ASMR. Wow, smells so good. Wow, the coffee bean looks so good. This scary. Me also. Put right here ke? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Bismillah. Actually scary. If anything happen, don't blame me. I will delete this footage. If it's a success, then you see this. Dia tak payah letak susu Apa ya? Oh, dia sebab dia espresso. Oh, sahaja. Kalau susu dekat sini. Oh, ada. Oh, okay, faham. Tak on pun. Saya rasa switch still lah. Macam try. Tapi dia mana satu? Oh. And then I think we're supposed to push this one. Okay. Okay, you push. Ya Allah, semoga berjaya ya Allah. What is happening? I don't know. Why the... Is it asking us to... Saya tekan. Damn. It's cleansing out the previous one, I think. Okay, you try again. I think correct now. Yes. Correct. Yeah, because dia dah keluar 2. Cik bau. Hey guys,
This is our first latte of the day.
is it good?
Smell.
Good.
Wait, the mic didn't pick up while we're talking. Is it good?
Yes, the smell is good.
Look at the texture. We cannot drink this because
Yeah.
I don't drink
Espresso.
espresso blend. Ada.
Don't
This
try.
is
Tu
hot.
tak? Off.
Tapi benda-benda tadi kat mana? Sini.
Mana?
Dia tengok.
Oh, saya rasa.
Kita bodoh ke? Kenapa kita letak sini?
Memang kat sini kan?
Tapi dia orang dah top up kat sini.
Maknanya tadi dia pergi mana?
Tak tahu tu.
Anggap ni rahsia kita dan kita saja.
Correct. You want sugar? Mana put
I
sugar?
wanna put milk. But if you wanna put sugar little bit je.
Satu je lah.
Ha.
So I pun tak nak macam banyak sangat. So nak bagi dia tak pahit sangat je. Bismillah. Correct. Correct is it? 10 minutes already.
Take a milk. Sini tak ada CCTV kan?
Cik tengok dulu.
Kita.
Oh. Saya rasa kalau orang kecil, saya kira orang kecil je.
Back here.
Name. Nak buat.
Okay, show them.
Tak boleh nak here. We cannot do what we call that
Oh, yang tu tak reti tu.
because we need to have steam milk.
Ya.
Sabar.
You dah stir ke?
No, but I was swollen.
Hope tastes good.
I hope so.
Not sweet?
Not bad, but I think
Need more
kena
sugar.
bukan sugar.
Then?
The
Coffee.
coffee maybe terlalu light. Should try.
Oh. We should put ice ke?
I don't know. Sedap. Tapi dia tak apa keras sangat. Kan?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So our mission is done.
Complete.
Yeah.
Successful
Yes. So we can make some more in the future. Oh yeah. Yes. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know if I want to edit this or not, but yeah. We
To the next video.
see you next time. Bye.
Duduk kat pantry saja.
Hari ni kita orang duduk pantry je sebab tak keluar guys. Saya bawa bekal.
Yes.
Saya bawa bekal. Dina je tak bawa bekal. Saya dengan Shu bawa bekal. Mana bekal awak?
Kat dalam, jap.
Creamy latte?
You
Damn. Yes, okay. Vlog saya balik kampung dah edit, tapi saya tak siap lagi dia punya thumbnail sebab phone dengan iPad saya tengah software update. Saya tak suka benda ni. Tapi nak buat macam mana? Okay. Hari ni saya bawa ayam goreng dengan sambal masak merah. Saya buat pagi tadi tau. Saya buat nasi. Air. Lepas tu sambal masak merah. Saya tahu semua suka sambal masak merah saya. Lepas tu dalam ni ada ayam goreng dengan telur goreng. So let's reheat. Selipar saya tahu. Bukan saya. Kalau saya mana ada, saya tak akan selipar saya. Kat kerusi, kat meja. Dia tak nak dengan Dina. Sekejap, saya nak tutup.
Saya rasa kita minum air ni je kan. Bukan beras biasa tau. Beras pre-boil. Pre-boil tu? Salah. Yang sihat tak? Bukan lah memang. Misal kami pre-boil. Pre-boil. Boleh sihat kot. Dia boleh rendam bumbu boleh. Siapa nak buat berapa sebenarnya? Saya tak ingat lah sebenarnya.
Mana sampai ni?
Meja. Dalam bekas comel. Cukup lah. Tak boleh makan banyak ni yang sihat punya.
So ni semua bekal.
Dina tak? Dina dengan Fana tak? So this is my chicken and telur goreng. And this is my nasi. Pre-boil, okay? Kena claim sebab mami saya beli ni. So saya kena. Okay, jom kita ke hadapan. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tadi kita dah buat latte, so kita makan bekal. Lepas tu ni guys, dia orang buat kerja. Rajinnya satu-satu buat kerja. Itu anak-anak buah saya. Saya akak-akak dia orang. Akak-akak saya akak dia orang. Akak-akak. Akak dia tadi akak-akak. Okay. Damn. Okay, kita buat work. Naik kan?
Tapi balik kot. Apa ke balik? Tolong guys, settlekan masalah span ni. Tak, saya rasa span ni lah reject. Sini sikit. Cannot have that one. Dia balik. Oh, boleh tekan.
Cannot leave.
Tekan.
Siut dah. Guys, dia supporters nombor 1 saya. Dia orang suka tengok vlog saya.
Saya dapat notification.